Yo, so congratulations on making it till the end of this big video here. I hope it was entertaining. I hope you found some fun from the video. And if you guys want like a bunch of free money, I'm doing giveaways inside the Money Accelerator every single month. I'm giving tons of value inside the Money Accelerator every single month. But more importantly, at the end of this video, I wanted to inform you guys how you can easily make a lot of money, because so the Money Accelerator, you can be an affiliate for and promote the Money Accelerator. And obviously it'd make me money too, but I'm giving you 60% commission. It's recurring commission, and how you can promote it is the most important part I want to share with you real quick. So you can promote the Money Accelerator. It's one of the highest converting offers there is, because there's just so much value. There's millions of dollars of value inside, like of programs and courses and methods and new content all the time, and a bunch of extra bonuses that are insane. Like I'm doing giveaways every month. You get to promote that. And I think the best way to promote it is if you chop up this giant video that you just watched. If you chop it up into a bunch of mini videos for TikTok and YouTube and even on Instagram and Facebook and everywhere, you can send people to your affiliate link and people will buy, because content is just an introduction for people, and then they get sent to the sales page, and then if they're interested enough, they will go ahead and they will buy. And it just works every single time. So those of you who want to make quick money, and you can do a simple skill like cutting up a video and editing it and then posting all the little videos everywhere, because they're just short clips, or they could be a few minutes of content every time. You can literally post it and it's going to work for you 24/7 and send people to your affiliate link. And it's a recurring offer, so you get paid 60% every month of $97 a month. So you get paid like almost $60 a month essentially out of that. So that's good money. It can add up for you a lot. And so that's a great way you guys can make money. Also, you can make your own content relevant to making money and teaching things that you've learned and showing results that you've had. And people see that, and then you're like, hey, check out the Money Accelerator. You can get a lot of value here and start your journey, or just add more value to your life. And you say that to people, and they'll go check it out and people will buy. So I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, a way you can make money that's very simple, and that can make you a lot of money, and it can grow over time for you. And you can support the learning machines here, the family here, to grow it. I've got a lot of awesome stuff planned, but the only way to make it happen is with money. So people on the membership, or people supporting the personal brand. I'll do my best to grow the personal brand and everything, and make it fun. But what I really want to do that's really fun is like giving away money to people in very fun and interesting ways, because it blesses their life. Plus it can be entertaining for everyone. And all around, it's just a great thing to do, give away money. And the only way to do that is to have more people inside the Money Accelerator, because the money inside the Money Accelerator, it doesn't go to me in my personal life. I make plenty of money with all the other stuff I do. All the money from the personal brand tier and the learning machine brand tier, all that money, all just goes back to the personal brand. So it could go to paid ads, or it can go to just straight up giving away money to people inside of the content, and it goes to making more content and to hire a team of people. Okay, this is a personal brand I've done over the years, just documented my journey here and there, but I've always made more money doing the other things on the side, like my sales funnels and my other YouTube channel, huge cash cow YouTube channel. I dedicate way more time to that than this ever. But I want to grow the personal brand because it's more fun and it has a lot of benefits to it. You get to meet cool people like all you guys watching and everyone who watches this. I just want to grow the personal brand because I want to network with everyone. It'll be super fun. So the more people that we can bring into the Learn Machine family, the better. Anyway, a lot of cool stuff planned for y'all, and it'll be worth it. If you support the Learn Machine family, it just goes right back to supporting you, because the money doesn't go to make my life better. It just goes to more entertainment value, and more importantly, educational value, and giving value to all of you who watch and who are a part of the Learn Machine family. So thank you so much for watching this big video, and I hope it was fun for you to watch. It was such a blast, and there's way more crazy content planned for y'all. So thank you for watching, and peace out, learning machines. Let's go.